Maybe 10,000 volts will change your tune.
Not so fast, omelet breath.
Jeez, how many times are you gonna smash that wall? Maybe I should get you your own key.
Ooh, that'd be great. But right now, your stash is smashed, Eggman.
You leave my facial hair out of this. Minions! You know the deal. Always forget Firebot's an outdoor robot.
Well, we're back from our afternoon constitutional and... What's this? Sonic and his friends infiltrated the lair? How did they know about Dr. Eggman's scheme?
We told them, remember, when we ratted out...
Oh, come on! Those magnets were password protected!
Maybe you should have picked something more secure than password 123.
Now that I think about it, I don't need to know where Morristown is. I hate traveling anyway. I never bring enough underwear.